have to take care of me. Not take things from me that I'm using.
Hello.
How
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. Say something, huh?
Okay, so since we came to the UK, this is the first time I've actually spent quality time with you, and it's kind of bringing back memories, and and it's good memories, not just working. Anyhow,
Want to eat?
you want to eat?
I said we want to eat.
Okay, yeah, we want to eat.
Should I show the food?
We bought ayamase from my niche kitchen, and then we made rice in the house. So that's what we're doing now, and then after eating we're going out. See, I'm all glammed up, dressed up. I'm going to church.
We're going to Emirate cable ride.
We're going for a cable ride, so
Then ferry
it's
boat.
close by, so it's not far. That's what we're going to do, and possibly go to the ferry. Let's see how it goes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Helen's. If you are new here, please like, share, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Welcome back to my channel. So guess what, we're in London for the first time as a family, and today we're going for a cable ride, and I want you guys to come with us as we move. Okay, look at the squad here. B, say hello.
Hey man. Yeah.
Okay, where's Emirate and Hero? You guys, Hero, that's the wrong leg of shoe. You have to change it. You hear me? Oh yeah, come and say hello. Come and say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, guys.
Hello. I look fancy.
Yes, you look fancy.
How do you go?
Alright. I think our taxi is here,
Only one.
and baby has gone. Hero, let's go. See that then Harriet has gone. No?
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Guys, come down. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Come on. We're here now. I think we're on the fifth floor. Boarding passage and information. Behind me, I think that's the welcome to the Emirates line cable car. So look at my people.
Okay. Hello.
How are you? Entering the cable car. Harriet, come. Stand here. Come and stand here.
Okay, next one. Yeah? Let me see that.
Don't use the seatbelt.
No seatbelt.
Alright, say hello.
Hello.
Hi. We're going for the cable car. You're supposed to video that one that is going. See? That's how ours will go.
Are you serious? It's about to go now.
Yes. Come and sit here.
Yeah, come.
Don't miss the fun. So is it round trip you bought?
About round trip, yeah.
Go.
Woo, I'm afraid.
I'm scared of heights.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Are you ready to get on the boat?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I've never been on a boat before. We have been on it. We have been on it. Hold on.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Let's go. Should we pick a seat here?
No, she just
Or outside?
let's sit there.
At the window? Somebody pick a seat here. Pick a seat here. That's finished. So it's full. Hello. How you doing today?
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Yeah. No? Oh, you not gonna call?
Yes.
Okay.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Daddy, can I have some candy?
Going.
Daddy, I should have Fanta. Daddy, can we have some Coke?
Coke?
Yeah.
Do you want Coke?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you want?
No, I want Fanta.
Okay.
Fanta and Coke.
Hi guys.
Ah, God, I look terrible.
Me and Moss. Okay, this should be the last clip of this journey. We're going home when Stafford.
No, I should not be the
Taking the
last
next
day of this
train.
journey now.
We're taking the next train to Wolverhampton.
After she has lost, because of water, we miss the train. Mobile water.
When your children are shouting,
Look at it.
Want water. Alright guys, okay, this is the train. It's here now. See you. It was a once in a lifetime journey. See you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.
I can see from my...
You don't worry, I have something.
Give me that.
Okay.
I'm
Daddy, you didn't guess it where it is.
Let's sing another one.
And you didn't guess where.
Let's sing another song.
Daddy, please can we? You do sing a song. Cheese.
Let me sing the song. Sunga pumwana
To mama.
papaye.
Daddy, where's the penny? Daddy, you didn't guess again.